All right, let me show you how you can protect rows within Excel. So here we have some very simple data. We have for specific students the hours they studied, their attendance percentage in class throughout the year or semester, the number of hours they slept, the practice test they took, and the final exam score that they receive in this column here. Now what we want to do is we want to protect this first row because we don't want anybody to ever go in and change these headers. We want these to stay the same. But we want to be able to change any of these values for each particular student. So we want to protect these headers or this first row here. The first step is to select all the cells in this worksheet, which you can do by selecting here in the top left corner. That will select all the cells. Then if you right click, go to Format Cells, and this little menu box will appear. Make sure you go over to Protection and unselect this locked option here. And when you hit OK, that's going to keep all of these cells unlocked. So now we need to tell Excel which cells we'd like to be locked. And we can do that by selecting this row here, right-clicking, going to Format Cells again, and now this time under Protection, you can hit the locked option to make sure that's checked. Now when we hit OK, that will indicate to Excel that, hey, when we protect our worksheet, we want all these cells to be unlocked, but this entire row to be uneditable, essentially. So now what we need to do is protect our worksheet. You can do that by going up to the review ribbon and then hitting Protect Sheet. This little box will appear, and you can add a password if you'd like, or you can just leave it blank. It's not mandatory. But now once I hit OK, it's going to protect this worksheet and lock any of these cells. So if I go in here and try to delete or change the cell within this first row, it's going to bring up this error message for me. But I can still go in and change all of these other cells here. Now in order to edit this row in the future, you simply just need to go to the review ribbon and unprotect the worksheet. Once you select that, if you entered a password, it'll ask you for the password. Or, in our case, we didn't, so if I hit Unprotect Sheet, it will unprotect, and then I can go in and delete or change any of those cells once again. But there you have it. That's how you can protect specific rows within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.